Vanilla extract versus vanilla powder. What is the difference among the vanilla extract and the powdered vanilla? When I'm making a certain recipe, if it required vanilla extract, is it okay to replace it with powder, and what is the proportion among them? I am intending to use powdered vanilla in a buttercream recipe from Martha Stewart's recipes, see link 1. Is it recommended to substitute?
There are different products sold as vanilla powder. What I have seen is pure synthetic vanillin crystals, without maltodextrin or other stuff in it. Generally, I would recommend using the extract if available. It is always made from the real plant, and the alcohol dissolves many different flavor compounds from the plant. Even if the powder is a dried extract from the real plant, it may have less flavor than the extract, if it uses less powerful solvents than alcohol, or if some of the dissolved flavors happen to be removed in the process of drying. But you also have the risk of getting synthetic vanillin, which is only one of the compounds which give the plant its aroma. Used on its own, it is rather harsh and one-dimensional. The extract always tastes better than synthetic vanillin. My best experience is that you should use 1/4 teaspoon of the vanillin powder for each teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use it for bread dough, donut dough, but never for icing.